Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download a JSON file from Google Cloud. All right. To be able to download a JSON file from Google Cloud, all you have to do is just navigate to a relevant service within the Google Cloud console. Locate the specific resource and then just download the file or the JSON file. Okay. So first up, go ahead and select the correct project. And here, just for example, I'm going to select this one. Now go ahead over to the top left and click on the three horizontal lines. Now in here, go ahead over to IAM and admin. All right. And then go ahead and go to service accounts. Okay. Right here. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now in here, just go ahead and click on create service account. Now name the service. Give it a display name. For example, Google Services Access. All right. And the ID right here will be generated. You can go ahead and add in the description. If not, click on create and continue. Wait for it. Now select a role. This is your own role. Okay. Make sure to select basic, then owner, hit on continue. But then you can go ahead and add in another user. If not, go ahead and hit on done. Wait for it. And here you have your service account. Okay. All you have to do is just go ahead over to the three dots, click on it. Now you can go ahead and click on manage keys. All right. Now go ahead and click on add a key, create a new key. Make sure to select JSON, hit on create. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here at the top right, you can go ahead and hit on close right here. And then you can go ahead and open up the folder. There you have it. Okay. This is your JSON file. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.